These are my minerals. I don't leave home without my caramel too. Okay. I'll drive back, even if it's from like Cape Town. Back to my house in Joburg.
Love it.
To make sure that I have my caramel too with me. So my lips are nicely moisturized, about to start the face for the day. Some of that powder on the brush. I usually like to start under my eyes, just on the sides of the nose, and with these kind of movements. So just dabbing, and then you just move outwards. Spot here, that's how I cover it. Just place. This is also quite key. Don't ignore your eyes up close. Oh wow, I did this without a mirror. I did this without a mirror. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't think I could. But look at that coverage. So, what we do next, I tend to also get oily in the course of the day. So I've taken my banana bread. This is the banana. There we go. To just dust, literally just dust the banana bread on. So I take a brush like that, which has quite open bristles, dust it all over, especially around the nose area. And then if I need to, like at 3 o'clock when I'm moving from radio to TV, I pull out my banana bread again. So, I've taken a brow pencil. I thread my eyebrows every 2 weeks religiously. Look at that. This one's done. This one's the au naturel.
Nice music. Where'd you get it?
Buddha Bar. Oh my gosh. Can you be more in love with your own eyebrows? Can you be more in love with your own eyebrows? Look at them. They talk. I've got caramel too. I've got banana bread. And that's about it. But I just love contour form. So here comes the sculpting work. I like this brush. The broader contour work. The loose contour work.
Oh, okay.
So I use that along the hairline. So I'm warming it up. And then we come into the cheek a little bit. Warming to the face that's taken place. And I take a brush like this, like a contour brush, and I come into this area and just create a line between the eyebrows. Look at that.
Hello, everybody. Good, thanks. How are you?
I also like to go in here. Got an audience.
What is it about contour that suddenly makes a person want to pout? Do you know what I mean? There's something about contour.
It's like you've chiseled the rest of the face, so you need to bring your mouth into alignment with the chiseled face.
Show me alignment.
So, I'm gonna take a pink gold highlight because I do want to go through the day feeling golden. I'm going to use
He's coming. But the thing is, if it's
and what I like to do is to clean up a little bit. Cleaning up is important.
So what have you done? You've done a bit of mascara there, see?
Yes, I've done some mascara top and bottom. For Saint-Tropez, but I'll probably use Dream and Coral. Oh, look at this blush.
Audio Jungle.
So I'm using the highlight.
Lovely.
What do you think?